How to add your own songs to a Snapchat story. First, make sure you are using the latest version of your Snapchat app from the App Store or Play Store on your device. Then, open Snapchat app on your phone. On the top right, you'll see an icon with a music note. Tap on this icon. Once it opens, you'll see options like Featured, My Favorites, and Trending. Go to My Favorites tab. In this, select My Sounds. Find the song you want to put as a story, or click on Create Sound to make your current own song. Below, you will see two options will pop up: Upload from Camera Roll or Record Sound. Choose your preferred one. I am going with Upload from Camera Roll. Then, choose the video from which you want to extract audio. Once selected, name it to the audio. Then, click on Save Sound. Now, select your saved sound. Record a video for your story while the song plays in the background. Then, look at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Story option to share it. Now, you can check your shared song story here. And that's it.